Changing the data usage warning on the Galaxy S24 helps users monitor and manage their data consumption by alerting them when they approach their data limit. Here's how you do it. First, press the home button to return to your home screen. From the home screen, swipe down from the top and tap on the settings icon. On the settings page, scroll down and select Connections. Next, scroll down and tap on Data Usage. Scroll further down and tap on Billing Cycle and Data Warning. Here, tap on Data Warning. You can now change the data warning limit. For instance, if your monthly data plan is 5 gigabytes, you might want to set the warning to 4 gigabytes so that you receive a notification when you've used about 80% of your data. Tap on the Set button to apply the new limit. Finally, press the Home button to return to the home screen. If you're one of the users who incurred additional charges for erroneous data warning, the best way to fix it is to reset the mobile network settings of your phone. To do that, go back to the main settings page and then tap General Management. Tap Reset and then select Reset Mobile Network Settings. Tap Reset Settings and confirm it. After that, set the data warning again and it should work properly now. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tips.